GM everyone. How are you guys? Let's go. Yeah, so we are live on YouTube. We are live on X. Let me check it. Check it. Yeah, we are. Awesome. Yeah, let's freaking go. Yeah, we should be live. Let me know, guys, if you like the music on the background, meditation music, if it is on a good level. Let me check it too. Funny. Okay, yeah, everything is working. Everything is good. Let me send the stream to some people. Send the stream. Chat. Bum. We are. So, my neck is killing me lately. I did work out a lot, but I think this side is more strained than this side, so I need to do some elastic bands exercises. So how are you guys? Without further and much to do, let's see what is happening on the Bitcoin, on the SPX side, because we're trading Bitcoin, but according to the SPX. To the SPX correlation or inverted correlation, let's say. This is another chart that I'm working at. It's on the macro, and here I was describing an expected pump before we go 30k. That's the one scenario that we're going to be. Let me remove the indicators. The one scenario is that we might. You see this trend line? Here we broke the parabola phase. Right? Look at this parabola phase. Then we broke the diagonal trend line here. You can see it. Broken. And if we're going to be going down to 30, 35, 32 people are saying, I'm not a fan of this theory. But if we're going to be going there, first we need to pump somewhere there. So this is like an old drawing. I didn't draw it today. But considering on the medium long term, we broke out of this parallel channel here. It looks like we're going to be heading somewhere there or here. Here is like from, probably we're going to be heading, to test these lows. So the market is gonna try to come up again, but then with every low here, it's going to be finding resistance. If there are people that still want to exit at around 80k, they're gonna be having the opportunity here, and if there's not enough buying power to pierce through, then we might be having this. But if the buyers are more committed, and if the buyers, they want to push the price, they think it's overvalued or undervalued, so then we can continue seeing the upside. Personally, I believe we won't go down here. I believe we're going to be seeing all-time highs. I thought that the top would be here, and I was expecting an alt season. I was totally wrong. That's why my portfolio is wrecked. But yeah, let's see if we manage to make some new highs around middle of August, May, maybe. It's too late for May. So somewhere in the summer. And let's see. Let me pull a fixed range volume to see what's happening. according to the fixed rates volume, we could come even to 25k, right? Like people believe. Sorry, let me see it. Yeah. Okay. If you take it from here, from the previous bear market, the most volume was in this area. So people would believe that here it's still overvalued. But if we suppose that these people went out somewhere here, the new value area high and value area low, it is value area high is here and value area low is here. So still 25 or 44, it is a target to look if you're looking for a traditional normal bear market. We are below the value area high, so we are in the point of control right now, where people think that where it's the most traded action. If the point of control acts as support, then we might be looking for higher, or we might come again. That's really funny. Look, I didn't do this drawing according to this, but this is exactly with the value area high here. So we might be coming here, and here is going to be the what area is this? 83 area or so. It's going to be for me 81, 83, an area that is going to determine what are we going to do. Are we going to go here, or are we just going to find again this and then go up? So we'll see. It's either up or down. That's the alpha. It's either up or down. Let me put some music for myself because I forgot. I also listen to meditation music while I'm trading. Otherwise, there wouldn't be a meditation challenge, right? Sorry for that. Music. I will do the super recovery and healing fatigue delta binaural beats faster healing. For real. So yeah, this is on the macro. Quite interesting actually. Hello, hello, Dan. Hello, hello. Let's go. And let's see if there's anybody on YouTube. Nobody YouTube. YouTube. I don't know if you saw that, guys. It's really interesting. P. Berne, if you're listening. In Switzerland, I didn't check the source, but there is a lot of free tweets from me, of course, and likes, and yeah, a lot of people. So 7.5k views. Just in Cardano, ADA is now accepted as a payment at 137 SPAR supermarkets across Switzerland. Cardano Foundation secured the integration in partnership with DFX Swiss. I don't know what's that. The seamless getaway between fiat and crypto, bank to wallet. Let's freaking go. Wallet to bank. Easy non-custodials, your keys, your coins. Transactions are processed in real time. No centralized exchange needed. This is a huge step. That's crazy. Okay, congratulations to Cardano Foundation that managed to pull this. Finally something's coming for Cardano. Let's freaking go. Let's go. Congratulations for the deal. Shake. Okay, and let's see what we did yesterday and put it on the report too. Did we put it yesterday? I didn't even put the report. What the fuck am I doing? What do we have today? 5. I'm not so good with the reporting thing. And let's see. Let me open the correct chart here. We're trading futures, USDT, perpetual at MEXC, right? So that's what we're doing here. I love drawing, but sometimes these drawings, man, I hate them. Sort here, along here, etc, etc. Okay, let's delete all of this and I'll show you later what it was. So yeah, we are on the same channel here. Maybe you not see it because of all of these indicators. Yeah, I'm gonna delete this long here, short here. Okay, so we can see a little bit more clear the chart. I'm gonna delete these two. Okay, so we are in this channel here. Let me put it on the 4 hours. I think it's going to be better. Yeah, we're in this channel, and I said it for the third time. And we'll be trading sideways. The channel is the best pattern, or the easiest pattern, quote unquote, for the traders, because the rule is you long the bottom, or you buy the bottom and you sell the top, or something close the bottom, or something close the top. If you're on spot you have, yeah, maybe better, less risk, let's say. So you buy here, you sell here, you buy here, you sell here, you buy, if you start coming bullish, then you start buying the Fibonacci retracement 0.5, 0.618, etc, right? Here you don't know it yet that it is a channel, but you can start playing your bets, right? So, for example, let's say you have 100 euros and you buy them here, right? 65k. 100 euros, you sell them for 8%, they become 108. Then you have 108 and you buy them here. Then they become 4. But this time let's say you sold, why not? So they became 112. And then you buy here, of course, it didn't work out, but later maybe you DCA here, and then you add 8 more, so 100. Let's say you take $6 from this, so you're 118. Then you sell it, you buy it again here. You sell it here, and you're at 132 or so. You sell it. You don't buy here, you miss it, the price is higher, but you don't really care, because this whole move doesn't make you more money. You already made more money by trading you're like 30% up here. And what you see now, you see that this broke. You might FOMO here, it's quite humanly thing to do, but you might wait for a retracement. So here you will take the Fibonacci retracement from this swing low to this swing high, and you're going to be weighted at 0.5 or 0.618, maybe 0.5 if the market's way too bullish, and that's, or 0.618 even, it's a confluence with our channel. And what did we do yesterday? Let's see. Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. Now it looks as though they're here to stay. Yesterday we were sorting here. That was awesome. Yeah. Yesterday we sorted on the 1 minute here. The stop loss was above here. We sorted. Then we put break even. We're targeting for here, but the market came all the way up here. Then we opened a long from here to here, 30x, and we made 30%. That was awesome. You can find it on my channel. Let me show you. No, why did I go away from here? I cannot see the chat now. They did. So yeah. Anyway, on Meditator Crypto on X, you can see we did 30% here. The unfortunate thing is that I did lose like 20%. Trying to sort it. I was trying to sort it here and I got stopped. But eventually what I did sort it yesterday night. Let me show you. Look at this. So the move is so harmonic. So let me delete this. Yes. And yeah. Yesterday I was looking to short somewhere. Where is it? I was somewhere in the 1 minute and I was trying to short the Pico top or something. around here. What's the time here? Yeah, around here it was. I got stopped a lot of times. One was here, one was here, one was here, and then I was like, okay, we made double top here. We made like dead cat bounce here on the 0618. So somewhere here I started to sorting. So when I start seeing this, I was about to sort here, but I let it. I said, I'm gonna see what happens. I'm gonna wait for a reaction, you know. And then when I saw this lower, so F high, lower low, lower high, yeah, same low, let's say, lower high. So somewhere here I started sorting here with a really small, where is it? It was like 10 o'clock in the night, so I don't have it on the video. I think here was the entry and here was the stop loss. Like 2.5 was my stop loss, like this. And my target is all the way down here. But look at this, I was in great profit here. 10x, I think it was, yes, 10x. What is this? 26% while I was sleeping. Fuck. Yeah, so I was on 26%. And the market retraced all the way up here, almost stopped me. Look how these guys are playing. The market raced all the way up here, almost stopped me to come down here again. But look at this, look how beautiful this channel is. Let me delete this and I'll put it again. This is a beautiful channel here. Descending channel, it is a bullish pattern when it breaks out, right? And what is the target? The target is you take the beginning of the channel and you take the end, that's somewhere here, and let's suppose that it breaks here. The target it is 74.6, right? But in this case, it doesn't mean that the target's always gonna play out or might gonna play out later. In this case, the market did try. The market did try. This is 1 minute chart, fuck. But it's the whole night. The market did try to come all the way up to 0618, 0786, and then it had a huge rejection. And it's coming here to test the lows again. It looks like it's coming into the trend line again. It could back testing the trend line. Resistance. Let's put it like this. Resistance. Sorry. No, I don't want the magnet. I want maybe with this, the alt. Resistance. No. Anyway, resistance. Sorry. Resistance. So what do we have here? Resistance. Now it broke it. Now it should find it as a support. Let me do it like this and do it like this. Now it should find it as a support here. If it doesn't find it as support, then we're looking for the price to continue. Where is it? Here. Now look for the price to turn it as resistance again and continue down, right? And that's what we're betting on. Luckily, we do have here on our trade. Let's open the trade. Okay, we are still in the trade. We're at 15% already. Let me show it to you here. Yeah, so we're here. Here was our entry. You see, we almost got stopped here. Let me put it That's why I'm not showing you this screen, guys, because it's lagging so much. I'm gonna try to find a way, either in UPC or another program. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Anyway, we did sort yesterday night here. We almost got stopped today, but we didn't, and we're looking to take profits here. It's like 40%. Look, our stop loss is where is our entry, right? This time I learned my lesson and I put my stop loss where is my entry while I was sleeping. So I wasn't risking the money. It almost cost me to take me out of the position while I was sleeping. But yeah, that's the difficult thing with trading. You need to have so accurate entrance, so edgy entrance to protect your money. Or if you're all the time active, you see, okay, that here we have this channel I was talking about before. That maybe here you see the channel. If I would see this, I already start feeling, okay, if we pump here now, we might come all the way up here. If I was here, it was 10 o'clock in the morning. This morning I was playing piano. I wasn't looking at the chart. Sorry, I'm not gonna stress my day. So yeah, I could have taken profits here and reopen. Yeah, but you need to be all day there. That's why I'm doing this with a challenge and the live stream. So I know that this 1 hour, 1.5 is what I'm giving for trading, and for the rest I'm gonna play piano. I'm gonna study my music. I'm gonna do some other work I have. So yeah. Anyway, that's what it looks like. In 2 minutes, SPX is also opening. And we are short, as I said. Let me put it again. Let me delete this. Okay, I'm gonna do it like this. Oh, fuck. Delete everything. Yeah, here we're sorting, didn't play out, so then we did 30x here, we made 33%. I did sort here and I got stopped twice, and then eventually I did short yesterday night, short position 73.660 or something. Yeah, we don't have any stop loss because our stop loss, come on now, because our stop loss isn't a break even, and we are still in the trade, and we are at the 15% profit. But now we're looking to take profits somewhere here, and let's open the liquidation heat map and see what's happening there. In 1 minute the market is opening. Would be interesting to see how Bitcoin is reacting. Okay, we do have, for every yellow line we have 126 millions. So here 70.900, we have 126 millions. Here we have 112 millions, 70.70. So this means that the price might get attracted to this place because it's going to get free money. But maybe first it's going to go up here because there are 150 or so, maybe a bit more here. So what does this mean? Okay, let's see what's that. 74.100. It is, yeah, the previous low. So what does this mean actually? I'll show you. And the other is somewhere here. Okay, and here is the previous side of the it's the upper side of the channel, right? Let me show it. So the other liquidation is here. People are losing their long. They say if we go in the channel again, I want to get stopped or I want to get liquidated. So yeah, at around 70.700 people, they're gonna get liquidated here. Quite possible we go here a bit below and then we pump again. That's what I would like to see if we want to continue higher. The other thing is that it's really simple, really simple. Look how simple it looks. People are saying this. Okay, I'm shorting here, okay? Where's the previous high? Here, up here. What will I do? They say. Sorry, they say I'm gonna short here and I'm gonna put my stop loss above the previous high. Why? Because if it's gonna make a higher high, then it means that we go higher. That's why sometimes you see this pattern. It comes, it makes a higher high, and then it drops like this. It's like stop loss hunting or something. But luckily, we entered here in the night, and we have 0% loss on this trade. We have the break-even stop loss, and let's see what is SPX doing. SPX is open. SPX opened a bit lower and under the CPR indicator, the pivot. That means that if we find resistance here, we might be looking for lower. If this happens, it's gonna help us with our trade. So yeah, today we're shorting. We don't have a stop loss. Stop loss is on break even, so we cannot lose money. We are already at 15%. We're trading with 10x leverage, 15%. We used to have 26% here, but I was sleeping or I was playing piano or something. So yeah, I didn't close it. And yeah, we're looking for the price to come maybe here to this line. Our take profit is 70,400 now, but I might close it at 70,500 if we're gonna see it. Let me put it here too. Oh yeah, here. Yeah, so it's a quite chill stream today because we are already in a trade since yesterday morning, and we're just analyzing our thesis here. And let's see what SPX is doing. Yeah, I would love to see SPX get rejected really hard here, so then we go down. And while we go down, Bitcoin should get dragged down too. So let's see how Bitcoin is reacting. One, two, three, four green candles for SPX. Red, two green, one red. Yeah, okay. Let's see. I wouldn't like to get stopped, honestly. I will not lose money, but I will lose a trade that I could have made money. Or I could have stopped here at 26. I could have stopped it here at 26, but yeah, who knows? Let's go for the big one. Otherwise we just lose it. So yeah, what's up guys? What's new? Quite positive for Cardano this let me check it here. This SPAR integration I was talking about, in case you didn't see it. Awesome. And yeah. Oh yeah, our friend from China agrees. Hello mate, hello. He says it's possible that first goes up and then goes down. Quite possible. What this would do Oh, fuck, we already saw this, huh? We already saw the... look. Here is the area, but it's a zone, huh? It's like a zone. Here's the area. This line here, the yellow line, this line here. Yeah. This line here is the top of the channel, like the top of the top, pico di top. One rejection here, two rejections here, three rejections here, four rejections here. Try to break it, then again down. And then it broke through, right? Like after, it was February 5th and it took a month. We have a month of it trading sideways. And now it's breaking out. Most of the times what's really possible to do, it is come up and test the previous resistance that was here, right, as a support. And now what's actually happening, it's coming down, it pumped, but it made a lower low. So we might see it revisiting here or here or here. And why we might see that and why I'm not closing my short. I might be wrong, I might get stopped, but why? Because we have a fair value gap here, right? Let's put the indicator if you don't believe me. Fair value gap. Fair value gap. Yeah, look how many fair value gaps. Here and here, I could even see the price coming all the way down to 68. But here, 69.6 is also really favorable. Let's do this. Fair value gap. Three candles. A fair value gap is a three-candle price pattern that signals short-term imbalance in market efficiency, often is created by strong institutional or algorithmic trading. It forms when the first and the third candles do not overlap in a price, leaving a gap in the market where trading activity was minimal. Okay, and the market makers and the market, they don't like these imbalances, right? They like, you can see it here, right? These are the gaps. They like to retest. Look how common, look how similar this is to this, right? 1, 2, 3 candles that didn't overlap on the 4 hours. So that means that we have a trading imbalance here, right? That means that's quite possible. Oh, this is a rejection we're looking for, and shows also in the chart of Bitcoin. That means it's quite possible that we might come. There was a beautiful picture somewhere here. Yeah, we might come here. Look at this gap here. Often are complemented by another, overlapping zone. So here we have the gap, and the price is coming and doing a wick to cover this gap, and then boom, pumping again, right? Maybe we can see it here, something like this. But ours here is really, let me delete everything or hide everything. Look at this gap, huh? Like immediately, if I see this, I don't put any indicator on, right? If I see this, what I would do, I would put a long here or a take profit here. Look, it is exactly where the other line says, right? And where is our TP? It's a bit lower even our TP. I'm gonna hide it again. Look, here is the most traded area, almost. And here is the gap that it just went through this line, okay? So the market doesn't like so much to be so imbalanced, so it might come here, that's why we're sorting, and then here we might long again, right? I hope you can see it. Yeah, here. And let's do a fixed rates volume on this channel. Yeah, here where is our TP's value area high, so we're currently above the value area high. It's a good place to have a short. If you are above the value area high, oh sorry for that. If you're above the value area high, it's a good place to have a short. And here we have the point of control. Point of control is way too low. I think here would be the ultimate long. Ultimate long, I'm gonna write it. Ultimate long. Ultimate long. Here I would love to take a nice long on this thing. So yeah, let's see how we're looking on the 1 minute. Boom. Look at this. Yeah, I like what I see. Let me lock this so I don't move it. Yeah, I like what I see. I like that we get rejected here. That means we might move here or here. If we don't pass the blue lines, then probably we're looking for the red lines. Now this algorithm shows us also all these other fair value gaps on the small level. I'm gonna close it. Look how it looked on the 15-minute chart. Look at this. It pumped up. People might say, okay, let's go, and then boom. Yeah, let's see with a Fibonacci trend extension where would be our nice place to take profit. So we have 0.1, we have 0.2, we have 0.3. 71.3 is a great place for take profit, but I will not do it. And 0.61 and 1.6, so this is a 0.1, right? And 0.2, it's at 69.9, so at 70k. Eventually, personally, I will play it safe and I will take somewhere around 70.500 or 70.400 if it's gonna go there. So yeah, that's what we see here. It might never go there. It might look here. We have another fair value gap. Maybe we should take profits and close the short. Who knows? Look, 1, 2, 3. The price didn't overlap. What did the price do? Came here. Came here. Right? Covered all of these three. Now if it's gonna jump, we might be looking to close or short or something. But if not, if it's gonna turn as a resistance, then we might be filling the previous gaps here. So yeah, trading is difficult sometimes. But we're going for 44% profits, and we're risking 0 because our stop loss is on the entry. We had a really great entry, but it cost us 20% of our portfolio because I did get stopped 2 times. But yeah. Okay, we're looking good, I think. Let me open this and write. So yesterday we had 30%, 31% win, but then we did get stopped down 2 times. So let's say 10% win. I believe we're gonna go all the way down here, 69k or so. What do you guys think? We're at 22% profit right now. Here you can see the trade. And I have this other trade here that I'm losing 40%, it was like $20. And I'm long but 1x leverage. That actually means then I'm not gonna lose my money, I guess. It needs to, except if it goes 99% down. For now it went 43% down. What the fuck happened? Anyway, so yeah, what I want to say, yeah. The funny thing is that I'm getting paid, maybe because I'm long and this is constantly dropping, I'm getting paid only for holding the long open. I don't know why, but that's how it works. So I lost $12 unrealized, but I have realized $10 from the fees because I have these long on. So yeah, interesting. And the other thing, we have $112 now. We started the challenge with 157. So we are $40 below. We even went up to 250 in one case. But yeah, I lost it all. Not all, but I lost a lot. You can see loss. I had 4 losses in a row. Sorted all the way up at 24%. Like, what the fuck was I doing? Yeah, anyway, and that's why we dropped at $112. But now we have 25 unrealized. We're almost at break even. Now we are like 140. Yeah. So if we're gonna go here, where is our take profit? We might see. We might be positive again. Let's see. Should I close it and just take the money and go away? 21%, or should I just wait for the fair value gap to get filled? What do you think, guys? It looks quite jumpy here, jumpy. I wouldn't like to see it taking this level. I wouldn't like to see that. Yeah, you see SPX is pumping. It's bringing some green candles here, that's why. Let me drink some water from my bowl and chill a little bit. I think, let's see on the bigger time frame how this looks here. Okay, SPX looks bearish. Why? Because it came here. Okay, look, let me do that. CPI indicator, middle, top, resistance, bottom, support. When the middle is so thin, so compact, it's gonna be showing a trend. And if it gets rejected, the price below it, it means the trend is going to be going like this. Most possibly, right? No indicator is correct. But if the price has this as support, comes like this, then it might be approaching here. What we saw here, actually, we saw it losing it and then going down all the way to S1 and then getting rejected again. So either it's gonna go down again here, or it's gonna come somewhere in the middle maybe and then continue. For now, it's just hovering around the daily CPR that is here. And fuck, it's continue pushing. That's why BTC is pumping too. Yeah, I wouldn't like to see this going higher than here. If it's gonna go higher than here, I might consider closing my short, but I wouldn't like to do that. I want to be right. I don't want to make money. That's many traders fails like this. They want to be right, not to make money. So yeah, let's see. Okay. The quite sad thing is that these liquidations are not here anymore. At 70k.400 or so, they're not here. So if they're not here, will the price go down here? Let's see. Let's see how SPX will move. I would like to see SPX to come all the way down here. So this big red candle was already retraced. Let's see. I wouldn't like to see a higher high here. This is how our trade is looking. Here's our entry and our stop loss. Here's the market price. Here's the TP. We're kind of in the middle, a bit higher. So yeah, let's see. Okay, if we see SPX going all the way up here, probably we're gonna lose the trade. We're gonna get stopped, I mean. Isn't that aggressive as SPX. It goes up too, but it's lower than when the market opened. This is higher. Let's see. Let's give it 5 to 10 minutes and then we're gonna close the stream. Nice, some red candles for a change. Look, immediately, as SPX is printing a red candle, BTC immediately red candle too. So correlated, it's crazy. I wouldn't like to see a higher high here. Quite positive that we didn't make a higher high from the market open here. So yeah, let's suppose we're gonna continue down. if you think that I'm crazy that I'm doing TA on 1 minute, you're probably right. I'm totally crazy. But yeah, cheers. So yeah, it looks like it's going good for our short. As I said, we opened the short yesterday night here. Here we're at 22 to 25, 22-25 profit because we're trading with 10x leverage, and there's like a 2% move here. You can see 2.8. The market did open here. It did pump here. Bitcoin didn't follow the whole pump. It's actually lower now after this. So if SPX, the American market, fails to make a higher high and is gonna get gravitated all the way up here, then we're going to be looking for our short to have a better result, let's say. Our take profit is at 70k 400. And why do we have a short? Because if you see at the 4 minutes, first of all, because we want to turn this previous channel here. You can see quite obvious channel, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now we broke out. We broke out from this channel, and we want to see it getting retested. And we have a huge fair value gap here. 1 to 3 candles that didn't overlap. So the price might come all the way even down here, even though we take profits here. Market might come even down here, 68. It might also first do something like this, and then take a long here. Also possible. I wrote ultimate long because if we're going to be going higher, give me a second, please. Yeah, if we're going to be going higher, that's what I believe. Since we broke the channel, probably we're gonna go up. I don't think there's a deviation. It could be a deviation though, and then come all the way down here, or even make a lower low, like deviate. That could be really funny. Look at this. One moment, sorry. That'll be really funny. We deviate the channel to the top, everybody gets bullish, then we dump all the way down here, make a lower low at 58, 57, everybody gets bearish, and then we go and make all-time high. That would be really possible too. But if this doesn't happen, I believe we might come here, fill the gap, and then go higher, up here, higher. The other thing I was describing before was we come here, all the way down here, and then we go up. We don't go down. We don't like down. We like only up. Okay, so yeah. Let's see. Anyway, we're shorting, and our short looks good. Nice. We are at 23%. You can see it here. So when the market opened, what happened? Yeah, when the market opened, what happened was we had a huge red candle, and then we had a huge green candle, and now we have a huge red candle again. And our entry and stop loss is here. We had a great entry, so we were able to bring our stop loss down to our entry, and now we want to see lower lows. I believe we might get filled, and if we get filled here, we take 44% of our position. We started with a portfolio of $150, we made it $250, then we made it $100, then we made $130, and now it is $112. So we've been trading for 22 days, and we did our portfolio 50% up and then 40% down. Let me show you how was February. Okay, these are some fees. 20% dollars, 27% dollars. Whatever we made here, we lost it all here. Then we lost more. Then we made more, we made more, we made more. We lost it here, we lost it here. And we made, we lost more here. Well, then we made a lot here, and we made a lot here. And then we lost it 4 days in a row. Boom, 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 boom. And you can see, even 5, what the fuck? Yeah. And you can see how this looks actually here. We document everything. Win, loss, win. Here you can see percentages, but then I had a huge row of losses. Yesterday we won 10% eventually. And let's see what we're gonna be doing today. Looks good. It looks good for today. 71.8. At 74.400. What am I saying? 70k 400. I'm going to be taking profits. Anyway, let's see. I'm gonna close it soon. We've been streaming for more than 1 hour, I think. Let's see this more clear. Yeah, let's stare a little bit at this one. Yeah, let's stare a little bit at this one, and let's see what happens. Just fill my order. Gimme the win. Gimme your love after midnight. Want somebody help me, da-da-dee-da-da-doo. Would be nice, if we didn't deviate from here. We just went all the way straight down to 70k 400. Let's see how SPX is moving. Yeah, I like this. You see? I was telling you that if you think I'm crazy, I'm doing TA in the 1 minute, probably you're right. But probably I'm right too. Why I'm saying this? Because we had these higher highs, higher lows here, right? That is actually what it is. I'm waiting for you to tell me what it is. I cannot hear you actually. So yeah, this is a channel, a ascending channel, that when it breaks, it is a bearish pattern. And what's the technical, what is the technical target? It is the first here, the first support from the channel, right? The first this. Now then, if we lose this, then we go for sure lower. But here it is a technical, that where we came. So we saw it here breaking. We did have, I think I had it anyway. We were expecting it to come lower, and it came here. And if you don't believe me, let's see ascending channel. And ascending channel is a bullish chart pattern. For me, it's a bearish when it breaks, yeah, but it's bullish because it goes up. But anyway, let me find this. Yeah. Yeah, okay, you can say like this is bullish, but when it breaks here and it comes to the first leg here, right? So when it breaks here, you short it and you expecting the price maybe to pump here again or retrace again, or maybe then even lower. And we found this at the 1 minute, right? Look, a channel, it breaks, it came where? Exactly where the technical target is. Cha-cha-cha. And now it might retrace or it might make a higher high. We wouldn't like to see a higher high on the SPX, because this is gonna drive BTC also up, and our drinking short is going to be stopped. What we would like to see, getting hammered and fill our TP. Or we can see this, bam. Yeah, I don't like this actually. I don't like, I'll tell you what I don't like. You see this? Come on now. Okay. You see this? price makes a lower low here but fails to continue on the short term, and then it starts closing candles above the previous low that was here, then we call this swing failure pattern on the lows, and this might means that the sellers pushed for a lower low, but the buyers said no more, we control the price here, and we push above. Let's see how this candle is going to be forming, because if it's gonna start pumping, I will close my short for a nice 25%. But if it's gonna making lower lows, then maybe what I could do, I could even start doing it right now actually. I can take my SL and put it here. Confirm. Yeah. So whatever happens, either we win 22% or we win 44%. That's what's gonna be happening today, guys. So it's a good trading day, I think. What do you guys think? If you're writing me on X, I'm super noob and I didn't open the for fuck's sake sometimes. Yeah, I didn't open this, so hello, I'm gonna write now, hello, with double L. I didn't have open the stream window on X, so if you wrote me any messages, I never saw them, unfortunately. Okay, yeah, it looks like we are not forming a deviation here, maybe. Yeah, you see, we're losing the low. We have secured 22%, so whatever happens, we win. But I would love to win 44%, actually. So yeah, let's freaking go. Dump it. Freaking dump it right now. Yeah, you see, SPX didn't manage to make a higher high for now. It retraced 0.5, and I would love to see a lower low here. 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, yeah. Then we should come and flirt with these lows here. Even though I would love to be flirting with ladies, I'm flirting with lows on the on the channels here. So yeah, that's my fate for now. Maybe when ADA is going to be $6 or $3, I'll stop trading. But yeah, that was it for today. Thank you very much, guys, for being with me and being together in this lovely afternoon for Europe. I don't know what time is at your time zone. The positive thing is that we are at 27% win for now. We have secured 22%. If the price goes up here, we get stopped. If the price absolutely danks or damps like a shit, we're gonna lose. We're gonna win 44%. But yeah, sorry for the trash talking. I hope you're gonna have a nice whatever it is, day or night at your place. Bye bye. Thank you for being with me. Ciao. Stop streaming or stop screaming.